Hello guys, my name is Moises. I am from Asheva Network and Cybersecurity. Today I'll show you how to configure or to automate your configuration in your network using Python script. You can see, I hope you can see the topology that I'm using over here. I will configure OSPF using Python script. The basic configuration of this topology is done. It means that I will not show you step by step how to configure the basic configuration like IP address in the interface, creating interface loopback, and so on. I'll teach you only the configuration from my node. You can see over here, right? Router 1 and router 2, router 3, router 4. All of this configuration, specifically SSH configuration and the IP address in the interface is done. It means that I will not show you how to configure it by command line. We will use Paramiko model from Python to configure your network, automating your network in the infrastructure. It means that you don't need to set the command from OSPF configuration in your router one by one. You can automate this configuration. The first thing that I'll show you is about the Paramiko model. This Paramiko model is a model in the Python to create SSH connection. We will connect all of these four routers in our topology and configure them sending this command by object shell that we created using this shell method. And over here we have a dictionary that we have information about the router like IP address, port, and username and password that for secure give it this information, the username from the SSH and the password from SSH is given by the user before starting this connection from the router using this get pass model. Uh, this configuration over here, I will not teach you step by step or each word in this code because you need to have a basic foundation or a great foundation in the Python to understand how to configure or to understand this code. Okay. Over here we have a list of dictionaries and we will alterate this list of dictionary over here to configure this device. Why we are using dictionary over here? Because it is very flexible to use in our code anywhere. Okay. Over here we have an output variable that will receive this information from the device and will print this information from our or from device to our console. Okay. I'll copy this path here and I'll copy this reference path, absolute path, and I will open a CMD. Okay, I'll open the CMD. I hope you can see what I'm doing right now. I will use the command cd to change director and pass the absolute path. Okay, cd and we'll over here. Okay, um, in the network automation with the Paramiko director, I will use Python and the name of the Python file ospf.py. When I click on enter, the program give user SSH username. I'll put my username is Moises and the password. I'll put my password. This password and username is used for all router in the topology. All of them are using the same or these user are configured in this four router. Okay, I'll use enter. You can see that I'm connecting to the router 1 host 172.16.0.11 and I'm sending this information. Okay, this command is a OSPF command and I'll get this response from the router as you can see over here. I already have this configuration done. Okay. If we go to the router, let me check over here. If we go to the router, okay, enable. Okay, I'm done. I will use the command show IP root, and you can see the configuration over here. Our OSPF is done. Show IP root OSPF 100. You can see all of this network in my OSPF domain. Let me see, pin to, let me test 10 0 1, it's okay. 0 0 13, it's okay. It's mean that my topology, my current topology is work. No worry about that. I'm here in the let me see over here which router I'm in. Router 3, ping for, let me see, 1111. Okay, I'm done. 111 is the IP from this router. Okay, this router, and I'm here. I'm ping this router over here. Okay, we have this connection, and this configuration, it is possible using Python, and you can use different way to configure your infrastructure. The bottom line of this video is to show you how the network engineer are using programming language to configure network infrastructure. I don't know, but I guess it's a good thing coming, a good thing ahead. Me and my friend, my brother Joaquin Timoteo, we will present advanced automation network using Python. Okay.